Hello, hello, hello! Magandang araw! Welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love and light sa inyong Tagalog love reading ngayon na mismo. Okay, so ang gagawin natin ngayon ay ang inyong weekly love reading para sa March 30 to April 5. O, diba April na? Second quarter ng taon. Mabilis talaga ng panahon. Diba? Okay, habang binabalasa ko to, gusto kong magpasalamat sa lahat ng Taurus na patuloy na sumusuporta sa aking channel. Please continue to support by liking this video. It helps the channel grow. At sa mga bago, supportan nyo rin po by subscribing to my channel. Okay? And engaging sa comment section, lalo na kung mag-resonate. Saka para updated kayo sa mga ipopost ko pang love readings in the future. Okay, so bubunot ako dito ng tatlong cards that will be the overall energy of your reading. And interpret natin siya further with the other deck. So, third card, dahil March pa rin naman. Umpisa agad, Death card. Knight of Cups. Okay. Sige. So, wag mangamba. I'll interpret it. Okay, so Death, Knight of Cups, and the Hanged Man. Okay. So, nakikita ko dito, because Death card is not really like Death. In Tarot, Death card is also a card of transformation and rebirth and letting go. Okay, so I can see here na with your letting go of this intention to parang move to the next level. Okay? Kasi at the moment, there's this uncertainty between you and your person. Okay, so I think in the recent past na nakukuha ang energy dito is parang you're planning to move this relationship up to the next level. However, parang because of some uncertainty, malalaman natin sa detalye dito, naging uncertain ka, okay? And because of this uncertainty, your letting go of this intention to level up this connection. So parang, one step back ka, bigla. Okay? So there's a shift. There's nilet go mo na yung idea of moving forward. Pero bakit kaya, no? Alamin natin, bakit. Sige. With this deck, pupunot ako ng 10 cards. Okay, I would like to remind everyone that this is a collective reading. Okay, so I'm tapping all the energies ng collective, ng lahat ng Taurus. So, kung hindi siya mag-resonate, huwag pilitin. Okay, and I'm just interpreting ano yung lumabas sa cards. Okay, kasi nakaka-receive ako ng comment na, bakit yan ito, bakit yan. Again, I won't manipulate the reading to suit someone's diba, preference or kung anong gusto nilang marinig, i-adjust ko yung reading para doon. Hindi ganun ang tarot reading. What you see, kung ano lumabas, diba, I have to interpret it. Alam mo, sabihin ko na hindi, sobrang saya ninyo, pero di naman yun yung lumalabas sa card, diba? So, good vibes lang dito sa YouTube. Okay? So, again, kung hindi siya nag-resonate, just leave it behind. Abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading. Baka yun ay mag-resonate na at matap ko yung energy nyo. Or panoorin nyo yung mga past videos kasi baka isa doon ay mag-resonate sa inyo. Kasi timeless naman talaga ang mga tarot and oracle readings. Okay, sige. So, bunot na tayo ng 10 cards and let's find out why ito yung overall energy. So, third card pa rin. So, first card, okay. Judgment. Second card, Two of Pentacles. Five of Cups. Okay. Seven of Wands. Ayan. Ito na. Nakikita ko na bakit. Fifth card, Nine of Pentacles. Page of Swords. King of Wands. Ace of Swords. The Hierophant. And last, okay, Three of Swords. Diba? Bottom of the deck, what you don't see coming is the Queen of Swords. Okay. Alright. Okay, so, first, before ko ituloy, you might be dealing with Scorpio, Taurus din, and yeah, Scorpio and the Taurus. But doesn't have to. Yun lang yung strong energy na nasasagap sa reading na to. Pwede yung iba. Pero check nyo yung placements ng kanilang Moon, Venus, and Rising. Baka yun ay ano. Yun yung mga signs nila. Okay, sige. So, the reason why parang step back ka kasi I can see in the recent past na ginawa tong person mo kasi that would require some forgiveness. And I think you're still deciding kasi, as shown here by the Judgment and Two of Pentacles, that you're still deciding about this forgiveness, kung ibibigay mo ba siya or hindi. Kasi may ginawa tong person mo in the recent past that caused some sadness and alam mo yun, regret, shown here by the Five of Cups and with the Seven of Wands pa. Na kasi Seven of Wands is some challenges na overcome naman na. Pero parang because of that, nag-lead nga siya to some sadness. But you were able to overcome that challenge or that sadness and regret. That's why you're feeling better naman na and parang happy and free from that sadness. Okay? Pero, yun nga, meron kang difficult choice na kailangan gawin. I guess, yung ginawa ng person mo that requires forgiveness is really hurtful, pero medyo hindi ka naman din yung tao na nagkikip ng grudge. That's the energy that I see. Hindi ka nagkikip ng grudge. However, parang di mo rin din basta-basta binibigay ang forgiveness sa isang tao. Okay? Kailangan kasi sincere na mag-apologize din. Ikaw yung tao na kapag sincere yung tao sa kanyang apology, ibibigay mo. Pero pag hindi rin. Bakit? Diba? Parang ganon. So, and here's King of Wands. You want honesty, pure honesty, and sincerity when it comes to the relationship. And doon nakikita ko dito that you want naman a fresh start, but you want more of clarity kasi you want the truth, honesty, and telling the truth. Okay, that's why at the moment you're trying to align everything kasi kaya nag-step back ka nga rin. I think talagang you want to proceed sana to level up the relationship. Like if you're dating, gusto nyo sana ng committed na. If committed, gusto nyo mag-level up pa into an engagement or marriage. Pero because of what happened, nag-step back ka ng konti because you were hurt. You were hurt. with this. And now the energy don't see coming is there will be clarity and an honest conversation coming to clear things out, to ask forgiveness and magkapatawaran na. But again, it requires for you, ang requirement mo is truth, honesty, and sincerity with apology. Okay? So, yeah. So, sana nakatulong. Again, I'm just interpreting the cards and kung ano yung mga downloads na dumarating. Then, because of the energy of the collective, yun yung i-relate ka dito. So, okay. So, tingnan natin ano yung advice ni universe. I'll pull one card from this oracle deck. Tapos tingnan natin ano yung advice ng universe if you're in this situation. So innocence. Again, ang sinasabi dito, kaya innocence is, di ba, pag you really check, di ba, parang requirement mo nga dito is honesty, di ba, truth and sincerity. So, kung talagang walang ginawa or inosente yung person mo, they have to approach you and talk and clear things out. So, ayan. So, ayan. Abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading dito lang sa aking channel. Ako si Mystico Moreno, or in short, mismo, Kita Kits. Ingat!